Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to crochet an amazing this bag step by step. I'm used a hook number 6 mm. Make a magic ring. And make 6 single crochet stitches. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch that we made. The second round,
make chain 1.
Insert in the first stitch after the hook and make 2 single crochet stitches. In this round, we'll make increase in all stitches. The last stitch. In the end of this round, we will have 12 single crochet stitches. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch that we made. The third round,
make chain 1.
And we'll start on the first stitch after the hook. We'll make 1 single crochet in this stitch and make increase in the next stitch. In this round, we'll make 1 single crochet and make increase in the next stitch and repeat it until the end of the round. In the of this round, we'll have 18 single crochet stitches. The fourth round, make 1 single crochet stitch in the first 2 stitches and make increase in the third stitch. We'll have 24 stitches in the end. The fifth round, make 1 single crochet stitch in the first 3 stitches and make increase in the fourth stitch. We'll have 30 stitches in the end. End the yarn in the first stitch that we made. We'll make 2 pieces. Insert in any loop from the front to make the sides. We'll make 6 chain stitches. And insert in another piece from the back and make slip stitch.
Make chain 1.
Now, We'll make 1 slip stitch in the first 2 stitches. And make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And make 1 slip stitch in the last 2 stitches.
Now we'll insert into the next stitch from the front and make slip stitch. Make chain 1. Turn your work around. Now we will work on the back. We'll work on the back loop. Make 1 slip stitch in the first 2 stitches. And 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And 1 slip stitch in the last 2 stitches. Insert the next stitch and make slip stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work to the front and repeat the last steps until the suitable height. Now, we'll make the cover, make slip knot and make chains. The suitable height is until the diameter of round. I made 12 chains. Now, we'll make the herringbone stitch. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Then insert in the left loop and insert in the next stitch. Pull the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Again, insert in the left loop and insert in the next stitch. Pull the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops. I made 10 herringbone stitches. Then I made 4 herringbone stitch in the 11 stitch. Then I made 10 herringbone stitches. The last stitch. The second row, make chain 1 and turn your work around. Now we'll work from the back we'll make reverse single crochet in the first stitch. Insert the hook under 2 loops from back to front. And pull the yarn. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now we'll make herringbone stitch in the next stitch from back to front. Insert the hook under the left loop and insert under the next stitch. And pull the yarn. Now we'll have 3 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops. I'll make 10 stitches, then make increase in these 4 stitches to become 8 stitches. And then make 10 stitches. The last stitch. The third row, make 10 herringbone stitches from the front. In this increase, I'll make 1 herringbone stitch in the first stitch from the last increase. Then make 2 herringbone stitches into the next stitch. And repeat these 2 steps until the end of increase. In the end of increase, we'll have 12 stitches. Then make 10 herringbone stitches. The fourth row, we'll make 10 herringbone stitches. In this increase, I'll make 1 herringbone stitch in the 2 first stitches from the last increase, then make 2 herringbone stitches into the next stitch, and repeat these steps until the end of increase. In the end of increase, we'll have 16 stitches. I'll leave the video that explains the herringbone stitch in details in the description box. I'll make reverse single crochet stitch in this row from the back.